Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see all someone's or posts on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app. And by the way, in this tutorial, let's see if it's possible to see the reposted videos of other users. Okay, so I'm not saying that this will work 100%. That's why I'm doing this, so that you can know if it's possible or impossible to do this. Okay, so now let's go check on my profile if I have the repost section. So just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen, and as you can see, I have the reposted video section. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and view other users' profile if we can see their reposts videos. So here, as you can see, I cannot see her reposted videos. And now let's just go ahead and check other users' profile. And now, as you can see, we still cannot see their reposted videos. So in conclusion, as of April 2023, it is not possible to see other users' reposted videos. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.